Students, let's take an example of trigonometric function for second derivative test. Now given fx is equal to sin x minus cos x, interval is given. Whenever trigonometric function is there, interval is must. 0 to 2 pi and boundaries are not included. Now first differentiate. Derivative sin means cos and cos means minus sin. Second derivative cos minus sin and sin cos. Now for maxima or minima, as you know, first derivative must be 0. And for that cos x plus sin x is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to minus cos x. Now divide by cos, you get tan x is equal to minus 1. Now tan negative, it means quadrant second and fourth. It means pi minus pi of 4, that is 3 pi of 4, and 2 pi minus pi of 4, that is 7 pi of 4. Only 2 points are there in the given interval. Now we have to check whether this point is maximum point or minimum point. For this, we substitute x is equal to 3 pi of 4 in second derivative. Minus sin 3 pi of 4 plus cos 3 pi of 4. And as you know, sin is positive in second quadrant, therefore 1 by root 2, and cos is negative, minus 1 by root 2. You get negative value. And whenever double derivative is negative, it means function is maximum at that point. And what about value? For value, you have to calculate function at this point. That is 3 pi upon 4. So sin 3 pi upon 4 minus cos 3 pi upon 4. Substitute the value 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. You get 2 upon root 2. That is again root 2. Root 2 is the maximum value of the function at x is equal to 3 pi of 4. Now second point is 7 pi of 4. Substitute 7 pi of 4 in second derivative. That is minus sin 7 pi of 4 plus cos 7 pi of 4. And you know this is negative. Negative means positive. And this is positive. Therefore we get second derivative as positive. And second derivative positive means function is minimum at this point. And minimum value is equal to, substitute x is equal to 7 pi of 4 in the function. That is 7 pi of 4 minus cos 7 pi of 4. Sin is negative in fourth quadrant, minus 1 by root 2. Cos is positive. This is minus root 2. So we have 2 points. X is equal to 3 pi of 4 is maximum point. Maximum value is root 2. And minimum value is minus root 2 at x is equal to 7 pi of 4. That is all.